All right, we are gonna work on some cute little birds that we're gonna practice our color mixing. So I'm gonna trace my circle tracer 3 times. And what's gonna happen is we are gonna make the secondary colors, but we're only going to have the primary colors. So I'm gonna make 3 cute little birdies, and each one is gonna have a secondary color that I used the primary colors to make. So there's my little feet. Oops, here's the ground they're standing on. Okay, we can give them some beaks, a little eyeball, and a little wing with a little tail feather. Maybe this guy's looking up. See both of his eyes, both of his cute little wings. Oh, let's see, this guy's gonna look that way. See his little eye here. See his little wing there. Oh, and this one, forgot this one's tail feathers. And this guy's tail feathers. Okay, so then I got my little birds. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with orange. So I'm gonna color this all red, just kind of light, and these are watercolor crayons. So even though it doesn't look like it right now, it's just a regular crayon. When I get it wet, it's gonna turn to paint. So I'm first gonna do a light layer of red, and then to make orange, I need a light layer of yellow. And when we mix it with the water, we'll hopefully see it creating orange. Here, I can actually do the beak too, right? Their beaks are orange. A little red in there. Okay, next color I want to make, I'm gonna do light layer of blue. Doesn't have to be colored in perfectly because we are gonna paint it, and when we paint it, it will fill in all the white gaps. So blue, let's say I want to make green. What color would I mix with my blue to make green? If you said yellow, you were right. So I'm gonna put a layer of yellow on top. And I can tell it's already starting to make some green. Okay, if I want to, I could go yellow and red because I want it to be orange for the beak. Okay, last color I need is violet. So I'm gonna start with blue, light layer of blue. What color should I mix with my blue to make violet? If you said red, you were right. Light layer of red. Now, violet or purple is one of the hardest colors to mix. Sometimes it looks muddy or more black, but we're gonna try our best to make purple. Oh, and I don't wanna forget, see if I can make an orange beak. Okay. So let me grab my paintbrush. Okay, so these are called a reservoir brush. Do you see there's water inside of it? So it's kind of cool. I can squeeze kind of right here and some water is gonna come out. And then if I brush it around, it should hopefully make somewhat of an orange, huh? So I'm making my secondary colors by using primary colors. So squeeze and brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my paper towel over here to kind of wipe off my brush. I'll do the little beaks because I want them to be orange. Okay, wipe off my brush over here. Okay, let's see what happens with my green. Oh, I got a little orange in there. That's okay. Brush, squeeze and brush, squeeze and brush. So I'm making green. Blue and yellow make green. Okay, notice I'm going very slow, taking my time, wipe off that. Okay, let's see how the purple goes. Ooh, it kind of looks purple. Squeeze and brush. Oops, it's running out of water. There it goes. Okay, don't forget the tail feathers. Okay. All right, last thing I can do if I want to is I can use these watercolor crayons to make like a sun in the grass, or I can use my regular old crayons. I'm gonna make a little sun up here. I might add some red to my yellow, and then to make grass, I need some blue and some yellow. Making that secondary color green. Put some of my yellow in between. Okay, then I'll paint this guy and then I'll be all done. Make some green grass. If I have enough time, I could do blue sky if I wanted to. And there you have it. Oh, paint my sun up here. I got a little green in it, that's okay. Let's see what this might look like. I could just leave it colored instead of painted, that might look cool. When I use my crayon on the side, it gives it this cool texture. Oops, I got blue on his beak. That's okay. Okay, all right, and there we've got it. We made our secondary colors using our primary colors.